How to create a new Google Docs spreadsheet. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily create a new spreadsheet on your Google Docs. Open up Google Chrome first. There are two methods that you can do. The first one is if you just go ahead and open up your drive, so just click on the search bar and search for drive.google.com. Here you will land on your drive. And then if you click on this new button, here you find different options like new folder, file upload, folder upload, and then here you have new Google Sheets. Click on it. Now from here you can choose from a template or just create a blank spreadsheet. I'm just going to create a blank one. And here your new sheet will open up. So the first thing you can do is rename the spreadsheet by clicking right here. So let me just name it something like my first spreadsheet. Hit enter. Now the changes will be saved to Drive automatically. Now you can start entering your value. Then once you do that, you could also add numbers. So let me just add a few numbers here. You could use the sum function to get the sum of all of these, or you could just click on all of them like this, select them, and then just drag this from the corner down below, and it will automatically increase it. To get the sum, you can just click on one of them and then simply drag it down. It will get you the same number. And to use the sum function, you can do sum equals, and then on the bracket, you could do B1 to B4, and then hit enter. You actually have to write the equals right before sum, so let me just do that right here, and then hit enter. Now you'll automatically get the sum for B1 and B4. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you create a spreadsheet. The second method you could do is directly go over to the apps, and then from here you can find Google Sheets right here. Click on it, and it'll automatically open up the sheet. Create a blank one, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.